Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the project overview of Brigade Enclave by Brigade Group. The project is located in Moti Nagar, Hyderabad, but before starting let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project and this behind me is your marketing office and the land parcel is right there. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. So don't go anywhere and book your dream home directly with Housey. Now in the video, we will be discussing the below points like project overview, the location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. So Brigade Moti Nagar is a premium lifestyle residential project by the Brigade Group. And it is spread across approximately 4.5 acres of land parcel. It features 3 towers with 2 basements plus ground 5 floors, ensuring fewer homes. Then around 190 spacious homes, the project features exclusive 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project and it is located in Moti Nagar, Hyderabad. As you can see, this is your connectivity. This is the exact Moti Nagar road. Now when we come to nearby landmarks, the Eragadda metro station is only few minutes away, Amirpet being 10 minutes away, Banjara Hills 15 minutes away and Madhapur also 15 minutes away. Coming over to the amenities part, the project provides you with premium and world-class amenities like a clubhouse which is 20,000 square feet. Then it has swimming pool, there are going to be gym zones, indoor games, kids play area and many more. Now when we come to talk about super built-up area, as mentioned, the project offers premium residences. So the built-up area approximately for 3 BHK is 1,850 to 2,025 square feet and 4 BHK is 2,530 to 2,635 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss and understand the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share you the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be taken at the site location to show you, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Brigade Enclave by Brigade Group, which is located in Moti Nagar, Hyderabad. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.